Meaning of easygoing.
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 Easygoing. Easygoing is an adjective that describes a person who is relaxed, flexible, and adaptable in their approach to life. Such individuals tend to be laid back and unassuming, and they avoid imposing strict rules or expectations on themselves and others. They are able to handle unexpected situations with calmness and ease, and they tend not to get overly emotional or upset over minor issues. Overall, an easygoing person is someone who is pleasant to be around due to their positive, low-stress personality.